Hey everybody, glad to see you on my new YouTube video. My name is Nick and today I would like to tell you about a cool AI service. So the name of the service, Synthesia AI. So let's open up their website. And as you can see, this AI can help you with creating videos with AI. You can create AI avatars and voiceovers in 140 plus languages. So let's try to use the service. Firstly, you of course need to sign up for this website. To do it, click on the Get Started at the top right. And you can see here 4 plans. Well, the first one is free. You can get started with this plan. The second one for 16 euro per month. And the third one for 58 euro per month. And a custom plan, of course. So let's click on the Get Started and select the first plan. Here click on Continue to Free Account. And on this page you'll see the Continue with Google button. Click on it, but I've already done it. After that you'll see this page. What department are you in? So answer on this question and click on Continue. Okay, and now let's create your first video. So select a topic to get started. By the way, on the right side you can see an example. So let's select product frequently asked questions, start creating, and there are only 2 steps. The first one, tell us what the video is about, customer support video that covers main frequently asked questions about Synthesia features, just for example, and tell us about the audience, product and users. So let's type here frequently asked questions about nature, for example, students, and click on create video. Now AI creating scenes, and that's all. Now you can continue in editor. Let's click on this button. So this is a special Synthesia editor. Well, here you can play this video, just right here, click on this button.
Welcome to our video on frequently asked questions about nature.
Hear the voice of this girl and hear your text. Now just click on the generate at the top right, and unfortunately to generate this video you need to wait 10 minutes. But click on it and just wait. Okay, finally the video is generated, and as you realize you can't create a full AI video here because this service is more about creating AI avatars and generating text. But it does its job well, and let's take a look at the result. Just click on the play button.
Welcome to our video on frequently
And here you can see the result. So 2 minutes video. And I really advise you to use the service if you want to create an AI avatar. So hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.